So Johnny and I just dropped off the girls at dance class, and we are going to head to go get some grocery shopping done, and then my husband will probably pick the girls up. While we are grocery shopping, he's going to finish some Christmas lights, and then we have some errands to run, and then hopefully tonight we're gonna go drive by and see some Christmas lights so we can get some Christmas adventures in, because this year is obviously very different and we can't just do all the activities like we normally would. So we're hoping to drive around tonight and go check out some lights. So I'm pretty excited for our day. Hope to catch it all on footage for you. Is it too loud in here? So Johnny and I are taking time out to go do some shopping. Looking for, no. Let's not take things out of mommy's purse. No. All right, we did some grocery shopping, as you can tell by the craziness of my car right now. I believe the boy has fallen asleep. I don't know if you can see in the mirror back there, but I believe he has fallen asleep back there. So I'm a little bit past the time I wanted to be home, so my husband did have to pick up the girls from dance, but we're gonna head home right now, unload the groceries, and then we have some car switching around to do, and we're gonna pick up a new trundle bed mattress for the girls' bunk beds that my parents got them for Christmas, so they're really excited so they can have a sleepover with their friends. And so yeah, we're gonna head home and get some things done, and I'll see you a little bit later.
You don't have to, I'm just saying you can.
I don't want to, because I think the skin looks gross.
The skin's delicious.
Yeah.
I like how you're lining them up though.
Yeah, I'm lining them up and say of them up.
Daddy put them up for you. Come see the present from Nonnie and Grampy.
Where is it? Oh, that's it.
Do you know what that's for?
No.
That's for your bed, the trundle bed, so you can have your friends sleep over.
Open it so we can bounce.
We will, but first take off your wet rainy boots. Hannah, don't kick it. Can you say thank you to Nonnie and Grampy?
Thank you, Nonnie and Grampy.
Hannah, you gonna say thank you? What's the problem?
I'm taking off my boots.
Oh, okay, sorry. Say thank you, Nonnie and Grampy.
Thank you, Nonnie and Grampy. Hey guys, thanks so much for staying to the end. Vlogmas 12. I don't even have enough fingers anymore. You don't want to see my toes, I'm sure. I know tonight is a very different background so far. I'm in my room. I've got a laundry basket back here. I've got laundry to do. I just kind of wanted to mix it up, you know, show you some real life stuff back here. So, I hope you had fun tonight watching the Vlogmas for today. We had such a fun day today. We didn't get to see the lights that we wanted to, so we're gonna have to check those out maybe next week. But you guys did get to see some of the lights that we saw tonight, so just not the extravagant ones yet. It was also very rainy and foggy here tonight, and I think some people had difficulties with their lights, so we're just gonna call that part a wash, but we'll definitely have to check that out another night. Tonight I'm gonna talk about my new friend, Diana. Diana is a wife, a mother, and an entrepreneur. Diana's main goal in life is to help other moms become better people. Diana has a training that you could actually take, and if you go to her website, she actually offers a free quiz so you can see what you need improvement on or what you need help with, and then she has a training that will help you follow through and become better. Diana helps moms learn everything between being a wife, a mom, and a relationship and economic expert. She teaches you how to communicate with your spouse and with your children. She teaches you about budgeting. She also goes over organization and money management tips. So if you are having trouble with any of these things or you want more information, definitely check out her website. I will leave a link for it in the description box below. So if you're interested in money management, organization, routines, just becoming a better partner, becoming a better mom, better wife, any of those things, Diana has a website for you. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave her website and the link to the quiz in the description box below. Diana also provided me with links to her Facebook page, her Instagram, and she has a YouTube channel as well. So definitely check out those resources and she can definitely help you. You could also reach out to her on any of those platforms and she can answer any of your questions that you may have about her training. As always, guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really supports my channel more than you know. And the question for today is, if you're a mama, how many children do you have? And are you finished having children, or do you want more? So if you have one right now, but you want like 7 more, tell me in the comments below. How many kids do you currently have, and how many do you want to have? Or are you done totally? I'm done. I have 3. I'm good to go. Maybe some more fur animals, fur babies, but no more human babies for me. All right, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I'll check you out then. Oh, Kiko. Oh, Kiko. Oh, Kiko. Now I better go wash my face because I'm going to have an allergic reaction.